Hello, welcome to another video. This is a tutorial on how to change the potentiometers of the PS5 controller, and this is the main reason of the stick drift. We are going to change it and replace a new one. If you are wondering how you can open the PS5 controller, check the description. There is a tutorial ready for you, and this website, the gamepad tester, also the link in the description. You can connect the controller with the USB to the computer or laptop and just go to the website and test it. So let's start by removing these potentiometers. Be careful not to bend them too much, otherwise the board will be damaged. Okay, let's remove these wires so we can work freely. Okay, to remove the potentiometers, add a bit of flux. This will help the removal process easier. Also bring a bit of fresh solder and apply it to the joints. I use low melting point solder. Makes everything easier, especially removing the potentiometers. Add as much as you need, the more the easier to remove the potentiometers. Take your time here, you don't want to damage the board. To remove the 3-pins potentiometers, just use this old trick as I use. Back and forth the iron and slowly pull the potentiometer. Very easy. Here I have used this solder sucking device, very cheap device. You can buy this from eBay if you don't have this. Really helpful. So by removing the solders from the board, we can put new potentiometers in place easily. Let me clean this spot a little. It was a bit dusty. So one thing you should know when you're using the solder sucker device, sometimes small soldering balls fall on the motherboard, so you have to clean them. Otherwise, well, you know what happens. So this little guy just fall out of the place. Let me quickly flip that. If you are wondering how this works, there is a small cut here that should be on the top side. So sometimes the potentiometer doesn't work or drifts even more, and the reason is one of the legs or two doesn't got soldered, and this happens. In my case, these two are soldered good, but this one, the left one, didn't get soldered, and in this case, the middle one, only the middle one got soldered. And since this is a PCB, it means both sides should get soldered. So we are going to heat it and let gravity do the rest. After some brushing, the board came out nice and clean. Since this video was just about changing the potentiometer, so it is over now. And if you want to see the rest of this tutorial, just click on the top right video. Don't forget to drop a like if this video was helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.